Guys, there's a earthquake here in LA. The 4.8 from my knowledge. I'm looking at videos right now, trying to get some more information about this. And and uh, and I'm alright. Seems like I don't hear any deaths, any injuries, any major damage, nothing. But from my knowledge, everyone is all right. I'm doing all right, and hopefully the aftershock isn't that bad. There's usually an aftershock after an earthquake if you never felt one before. Or experienced one. So yes, I just wanted to give you some context about that. Yeah. So peace.